Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. Hopefully you've been having fun crafting along and enjoying all the wonderful projects that we've shared with you so far. For today's project, I've created these adorable stocking gift boxes. To create these, I used a digital file by SVGCUTS from their Christmas Cafe collection. The paper collection that I used is by Minte. It's called Christmas Stories. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 online locations, both a retail store and also on the web. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a discount upon checkout. Also, when you spend $75 or more, you will receive free shipping. I love the way these stocking gift boxes turned out. They are absolutely adorable, and I had so much fun making them. These are a pretty ample size. They measure 7.5 inches from top to bottom, 5.5 inches wide, and the depth is just about 2.5 inches. For the first stocking, I have embellished this with this beautiful pink poinsettia, and in the center I've got this rhinestone pearl. Behind it, I fussy cut elements from the paper, and we've got red and green poinsettias in the background, and we have this velvet bow. I outlined the front of the box with this beautiful pearl just to soften the edges a bit. To create the poinsettia, I used this Sizzix Big textured die. This is a steel rule die, and it also comes with an embossing folder. Let me give you a closer look of this box. Now, because this has an acetate front, you can fill this with candy, embellishment. This is a side. And let me show you the inside of the box. Okay. So this has lots of room to fill with embellishments, whether it be flowers, bows, trims, or you can include food products such as nuts or cookies. If you're going to include a food product in here, I do suggest reinforcing the bottom of this box and also lining it with a bit of wax paper to prevent any of the oil from seeping onto the paper. For my second stocking gift box, I outlined it with this red rhinestone trim. I did fussy cut this deer from the paper collection. I thought that was so cute. And then I've just created this fun floral collage here. We've got a little vintage envelope. I've got some greenery, 2 poinsettias, and then this large gem in the back. These stocking boxes make a beautiful presentation and would be a wonderful addition to your holiday home decor. This concludes my review of my stocking gift boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please join me tomorrow for day 5 of the Christmas crafting series. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy crafting and happy holidays.